You've read the title. The aim of the game is to try to guess what these common items are under a microscope. I'll give you a few easy rounds first, so let's do it. Okay, well that just about does it. I looked at quite a few objects there. That last one, I just want to make a quick note on that. That was remarkable. So that was just a sample of water from a lake that's about a 5-minute drive from where I live. And I don't know what that little critter was. He was so hard to track and try to follow on the microscope here, but I managed to get him. If you know what he is, please let me know down below. But how many did you get? How many of those items did you guess? In my opinion, I don't think I would have been able to get. Maybe you were able to guess some a bit easier than I was. But yeah, please check out the video of me making this microscope. It's the previous video, link in the description or a card in the top right hand side of the screen. If you think I've earned it, then please consider subscribing. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, if you want to see some other things other than these items that I've done, just some different things under a microscope, then also let me know in the comments, and perhaps I can make a part 2 of this kind of video of where you try to guess what you are looking at under a microscope. But until then, if you did enjoy the video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this one.